Did you know a firefighter risked everything to expose his own chief's deadly scheme? Frank Martinez had 28 years with the department when he noticed something wasn't right. Response times to certain fires were mysteriously slow. Equipment would malfunction at convenient moments. Buildings in prime locations burned to the ground, while others got immediate attention. The pattern was too obvious to ignore. His fire chief was being paid by developers to let specific properties burn completely. Frank started secretly recording radio communications and documenting response delays. When he contacted the state fire marshal, his own department turned against him. They gave him the most dangerous assignments, sabotaged his equipment, and threatened his pension. But Frank refused to back down, even with retirement just months away. State investigators uncovered a massive corruption network and stopped planned arsons in low-income neighborhoods. Frank received state recognition and was promoted to fire marshal. Sometimes doing what's right means standing alone against everyone you've trusted.